Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZR Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in Kocaeli at Yuvacık region and I would like to introduce one of the most luxury and beautiful construction apartment project for you today. First of all, starting the tour, I believe that inshallah you like the drone shots and look at that beautiful, amazing view. We are upon the hill position. We are upon the hill position. From here to city center, it is just taking 14 minutes, 1/4 minutes, yani 14 minutes to the city center. And look at the environment, what kind of environment we have in this region. And we are directly near the Yuvacık Dam, and look at that beautiful green nature. Name of the region is Yuvacık, and today I'm gonna show you brand new luxury apartments for you. What we have as a specification for this project, we have 8,000 square meters project area. On this 8,000 project area, there are 5 blocks, 50 luxury properties are available. Today I'm gonna show you garden duplexes because remaining projects for the market there are just garden duplex are available, which are including 220 square meters gross area inside it with 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms and 1 living room, and also each duplex has 70 square meters private garden. Totally we have 290 square meters properties. And what are the other specifications of the project. You know, this is compound style project. Rent-a-clock security is available. Outdoor swimming pool is available. Turkish bathroom, fitness rooms are also available inside the project. And expect the apartments, there is just one villa. And let's have a look to a sample property as a garden duplex together. Before getting to inside property, you can see the details of the price on the description section below, and the project will be the handover end of the May. In the beginning of the June, life is gonna start in this beautiful project. So let's discover the details of these beautiful properties together. Each block contains elevator inside. So let's discover this garden duplex together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the entrance section of the property. Each property has the 100% same interior design. You can consider as a concept of the property like semi-furnished, because you can see the directly when you get inside the property, you can see the dressing cabinets like this. This property was sold. I'm just showing the details as a sample because finishing grade of this property is so high. We have 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms. Each room is the master room. It is so suitable for the GCC people. If you are looking for the so many bathrooms inside the property, these properties can be very suitable choice for you. And when we reach this section, nice and very spacious living room section is welcoming us. And inside each section of the property, you can see the pipes for the AC. And when I look the lighting system, there is classical, and on the edge side of the ceiling, there you can see the LED lighting system too. Let me try my chance. Yes. Yes, you can see the LED lights on the edge. And from living room, you can reach your veranda. I can say that each materials are first quality, and look at that beautiful view. Look at that beautiful, amazing view. It's beautiful and lovely. Heating system of the property is working with the natural gas system. And when I look the material on the ground, there are nice and first quality greens were used for the ground, and also it is very compatible for the heating system, because you know there are pipes under the ground. These pipes are giving the much more equal and homogeneous energy, homogeneous heating temperature for your property. And isolation of the properties are so strong. And when I look at the design of the properties, I can say that easily spacious and modern design, which is very suitable with modern nature. Again, look at that beautiful mountains. And when I look to internet, there is satellite systems available. Near the satellite system, there is a fiber internet connections available. I can say that easily for these properties. These are really spacious and big enough properties. And when we keep continue our tour, mashallah, the also quality of the doors are pretty good. I can feel it is not so tiny material. It is such a heavy, you can feel when you touch it. And when we reach this section, nice and spacious kitchen section is welcoming us. When I look the design of the cabinets, again modern design kitchen cabinets is welcoming us. And when I look at the type of the material for the kitchen cabinet, again acrylic style material were used for the kitchen cabinets. And we look at the countertop. Material of the countertop is chimstone. We call as a chimstone. Here is the comb device machine, and this is demir döküm. It is one of the best combi boiler device in Turkey, and it's 100% Turkish brands. It is up-to-date model. I can say that easily, and also which is including inside the property too. I can say that easily. Each materials are first quality inside the property. Heating system is again working with the natural gas system, and we have 220 square meters grocery inside the building, inside the property, plus we have 70 square meters garden area. I want to show, I didn't show the size of the garden. Let's have a look to gardens. can consider like that. Over there. And you can have a look. This it is still under construction term, you know. Handover time of this project is end of the May. And I'm repeating again, you can see the details of the prices on description section below. Please check it out. And then we keep continuing our tour. And right over here, there's a one guest room is available over here. There are totally 4 rooms and 4 bathrooms are available, and you can see each section inside the property, pipes and cables for the AC, heating system also working with underground, as I mentioned before, and also double action windows are available. Let me show you like that. And there is one common bathroom. It's located on ground floor. And storage area, and under the upstairs section used as a storage area. It was covered, hidden by the door. You can use this section as a storage area. So let's go to the first floor of the Garden Duplex. When we reach the first floor, I mean top floor of the Garden Duplex, there are 1, 2, 3 rooms and 1 washing room is welcoming us. Let me check it out, the light. No. Here is the washing machine place. You can put your washing machine in this section. On the top, each room is the master room. Each room contains its own bathroom inside it. As you see, rooms are so spacious and big enough. And look at that beautiful view. Right over here, shower, the bathroom of this room is available. Okay. And there is another room for kids. It's looking for the behind, even the behind section or behind yard of the project is looking for the open wisdom. Right over here we can see again pipe for the AC, cable for the AC, bathroom of this room is available. When I look to here, lighting system inside the rooms, there is LED spot lighting systems are available inside the property. And when we reach this section, biggest room of the property is welcoming us. This is the main master room. This section is the cabinet section. You can put your dressing cabinets over here. This is the bathroom of the master room, main master room. And those I want to show is this seems such an ordinary details for you, but in Turkey to find shut off is not so easy. So that especially this project was designed according to the requirement of the GCC people. If you are looking for the big size and spacious properties with a lot of bathrooms, this project can be a very suitable choice for you. And when we reach the section, bathroom section of the master room is welcoming us. This is the interior situation of the property. I hope that you like it. I hope guys you enjoyed the video, and I really want to thank to brother Yasser. Today he was my cameraman. You didn't see him on the in front of the cameraman.
You're most welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, brother Yasser.
And I just want to say something. This area is best for nature lover. Look, it's so green, and it has a very healthy environment. So this is absolutely an amazing choice to live in this place.
Yes, and some of the people discover this area and they are making investments. But if you don't know anything about Kocaeli, come and let's test this beautiful city together. I'm able to show the beauties of this city, and as I mentioned before, when you compare the prices with Istanbul, Sakarya, these properties are on the market with very affordable price.
Yeah.
Very affordable price.
Reasonable.
These are not cheap properties because you saw already on the details, each materials are first quality, concept of the project is luxury concept, but reasonable price. And when we consider specification, I can say the reasonable price.
Yeah.
So that if you don't know anything about Kocaeli, just contact with us. You don't have to buy any property from us. But if you're interested to buy property in Kocaeli, just contact with us. We can show the ability of the city, and we can show the other projects we are providing as a real estate agent. We are providing freedom of choice.
Yeah.
Just spend us, if you are able to, 2 days.
Yeah.
They can realize the beauties of the city, advantages of the city,
Yeah.
advantages of the construction projects.
Yeah.
We are
Because
trying. Yeah.
your money is important, so you deserve something better. Don't just stick to Istanbul. Come visit this place, and I'm sure you're gonna love it.
Inshallah, biiznillah. Inshallah, biiznillah. So, brother, we talk so much, but did you aware again? Are you aware?
You should. Yeah, they are not subscribing.
Come on.
Come on, do it, guys.
Please.
Share some love and subscribe, and also hit like.
It like, and I want to show you from that scenery.
Yeah, look
Yeah,
at this
let's
beautiful.
find- yeah.
And on this side we have a beautiful dam.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really an amazing, like heaven. I love Kocaeli.
I love
Yeah.
also, brother.
And I love Turkey. You can see the flag is shining and the wind is great. So come visit this amazing place.
And discovered Kocaeli.
Absolutely.
Inshallah, we are gonna make the promotion video in close feature.
Yeah.
We are trying to do our best. Inshallah, we can reach your test. Bismillah.
Inshallah.
Anyway, for further information and catch these opportunities in this beautiful city of Kocaeli, please directly contact with us. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. I'm repeating my number again, 0090-532-207-8634. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channels yet, please smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Would you want to add something, bro?
Take care of yourselves, guys.
Take care.
See you again.
Fi aman Allah.
Bye.
Bye.